Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can increase the brightness of your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So there are two methods how you can do this. So the first method is just simply right click on your desktop screen and go to display settings. Now over here you will find night light, so just simply turn that on, then the night light will be activated on your display. Then after it is done, just simply go inside night light, then increase the strength over here. So this is one way of increasing or boosting the light of your screen. Now, there is also another method. So firstly, just let me turn this off. Now, there is another method how you can do that. So that is, if you are an NVIDIA graphic user, just simply go to adjust desktop screen color over here, then go to brightness and increase the brightness value from over here. And if you are AMD graphic card user, just simply right click on your desktop screen, go to the AMD control panel. Then in here, just simply click on settings over here. Now from there, just simply go to display, and over there you will find a column called brightness. Just simply increase the value and the brightness will be increased. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.